Do I Want to Know by Arctic Monkeys. In this video we look at different ways we can play this on acoustic guitar, including the opening riff, which is so classic. We're also going to look at how to do this with bar chords, just like Alex Turner does in a few different videos online. But we're going to start with the easiest way that we can play this, with 4 basic open chords, no bar chords, and this is using a capo or a capo at the 3rd fret. If we put a capo or a capo at the 3rd fret, we can play Do I Want to Know by the Arctic Monkeys with the chords E minor, C major, A minor, and B7. The basic progression throughout most of the song is E minor, 2, 3, 4, C, A minor, back to E minor. The only time it really varies from this is in the pre-chorus, and this is where we hit the B7, and then we get this little Do I wanna know if this feeling goes both ways, sad to see you go, was kinda hoping that you'd stay. But it's basically the same progression, it just changes how long we're on each chord. If you can do that strumming pattern with down, down, up, down, that's how Alex Turner does this on acoustic sessions. So let me show you that in more detail, and we'll go for a full play along with capo at the 3rd fret. I'm then going to show you how to play this exactly like Alex Turner does. We'll take the capo off and just use bar chords. And then I'll show you how to play all riffs in this song on acoustic guitar in case you just want to jam along to the original. But let's have a look at the basics first of all. So we begin on an E minor chord, and that goes over the lyrics, have you got colour in your cheeks? And then it's C major, A minor. Do you ever get that fear that you can't? And it's E minor, shift the type that sticks around like summit in your teeth. Are there some C major up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. Let's do all of that just now, strumming on the beat. 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4. C, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3. Same again, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, A minor, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and repeat. 1, 2. Have you got colour in your cheeks? 2, 3. Fear that you can't shift the type that sticks around like summit in your teeth. Are there some aces up your sleeve? Have you no idea that you're in deep? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on B7. Do I wanna know? A minor, 2, 3, and 2 bars of E minor is the only difference. 2, 3, 4, C major, A minor, and E minor, and we get to the chorus. Strumming pattern, let's go for down, down, up, down, down, up, down for everything. 2, 3, 4. Let's recap over that pre-chorus into the chorus, because that's where things change slightly. But remember, the chorus is just the same as the verse from a guitar point of view. From the C majors, from Do I Wanna Know? 1, 2, 3. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Sad to see you go. Was sort of hoping that you'd stay. Baby, we both know that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Ever thought of calling when you've had a few? 'Cause I always do. Maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. Now I thought it through, crawling back to you. So now let's have a look how we can play all of that and the rest of the song without the capo. If you want to just stick with basic open chords, just keep that capo on and we'll just do the same thing. But we're going to go over the next section now with bar chords. E minor becomes G minor with the first finger playing as that capo, but Alex Turner plays it like this, probably to give his first finger kind of bar chord a rest, and probably because he finds this comfortable. Then rather than C, it's an E flat major to a C minor, and then the final chord Alex plays it as an open D major chord. So from the very start of the song, it just starts on the G minor with that same strumming pattern. And here we go, 2, 3, 4, E flat, C minor, 2, 3, 4, back to G minor, and repeat. Have you got color in your cheeks? Do you ever get that fear that you can shift the type that sticks around like summits in your teeth? Are there some aces up your sleeve? I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found, it makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep. 2, 3, 4, D major. Do I wanna know? C minor, back to G. It's G minor for another bar. 2, 3, 4, E flat. Only made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you. Let's have a look at how to play that riff now. Here we go. This is identical to the way that I've taught it in my electric guitar tutorial, but it sounds great on acoustic, so definitely learn this. This is 1, 3, 1, 3. You can play this with the first finger and third, or your first and little finger. But either way, it's the last note there that's actually on beat 1. 1, 2, 3. And then it's the same move for the next section. So 1, 2, 3. So after 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, it's 1 to 3 as a hammer on, pick, hammer on the ring finger, back to 1, slide to 5 on string 5 from 3 with third finger. 3 to 5. And then to 3 with the first finger. Last two moves. 6, 3, 5, 3. 6, 3, 5, 5, 3. From the top, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. 1, 3, 1. 1 hammer on to 3. 1. Slide to 5. 3. 6, 3, 5, 3. 6, 3, 5, 5, 3. There's an optional hammer on for those last two 5s. That's a lot more like the original, where you keep first finger down and hammer on to the third. Chorus riff starts with a slide from 10 to 6 on string 5. This just happens twice. 10, 6, 3, 5, 6, 5, 3, 6, 3, 6, 3, 5, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. Last time, 10, 6, 6, 3, 6, 3, 5, 3. Hope you've enjoyed that one. Let me know any more Arctic Monkeys songs or any other videos you'd like me to do in the comments below. I'll leave a couple of links on screen now, including to an Alex Turner Arctic Monkeys kind of player study, how they come up with riffs, some in-depth studies, particularly from the AM album. So check that one out, and I'll see you over there or next time on the Sandy Guitar YouTube channel.